Good day everyone. Welcome to Educate Yourself. So today we are moving to our next example on event handling in JavaScript, that is onload. So let's see firstly what this onload event actually. The onload event occurs when an object has been loaded. I think you got what it is saying, that when an object has been loaded, then this onload event occurs. The onload is most often used with the body element to execute a script once a web page has completely loaded. All contents, including images, script files, CSS files, etc. So, this is how this event onload means and it works. And let's see how to manage or how to handle this event into our web page using JavaScript. So we started with our document type HTML, then HTML root tag, then inside the body tag you can see an on event called onload, and when the onload takes place they have to move on to another function, or there another function is to be executed. That is what we are saying by giving these events with some values, mainly functions. Okay, so we have defined a function here, my function, and we also given an h1 with the word or with the heading hello world. So inside the script is our function, because this is JavaScript, so we use this function here. So script is a tag to define the JavaScript, and inside that you can see the function is defined using a function name my function. So that is the one we called here also, because that is the one to be executed when the onload event takes place. So inside the my function, what is saying, when the onload takes place, an alert is to be shown with the message page is loaded. So when the onload takes place, the user should get a pop-up window having the alert message as page is loaded. So this is the function, or this is the handling done during this event onload takes place. Okay, that means when the page is loaded, just to inform that user to this page is being loaded or the page is loaded, just to mention that only we use these kinds of events and handling methods and these kinds of messages too. So thus we closed our script and we can write anything inside our page. So how will be our content looks like? That means inside our web page we'll be having this hello world, and also we'll be having this kinds of paragraph. When you load this image or load this anything inside this, it will show this page is loaded. So thus is the example for onload event handling in JavaScript, and we'll be having another example also for the next session, and thus we'll be moving to our next important session. So thank you.